In front of me is Redmi Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete. Enter your login method. And then click on Delete button next to Edit one. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!